If a CEO asks you, what do we do and what is the impact do you make in your organization?
Lack of the skilled worker, AI, automation, or digital transformation.
What are the key strategy an HR director should have to improve the execution ability through the middle managers in a company?
First, we need to understand their role in terms of executing the business strategy, the ground floor insight, like the market condition, the customer need, or the operational reality.
What the HR leaders or the business leaders can do to be more data driven into the decision making rather than only filling the decision making.
With people inside, for example, like team engagement, skill gap, learning participation, or any like turnover risk.
How an HR leader or even a business leader to focus on their own professional development.
So they understand that process and also understand the who and also how they will be involved in a whole process.
I still remember a few weeks back, I was having coffee with you and you told me there is a one line which really marked my mind at that time. You say, son, when you start reading the book, you exactly feel like this book is written for you.
I read this book and I see on failure here. And I wish I have read this book before. I think some of my proposal already implemented and create a big impact on the business.
But if I say this one, I want to double my profit of the company.
For me, I will ask the CEO. First, in terms of execution, normally I will allocate the resource 50% focus in terms of the budgets and also the people resources in terms of the new, in order to get the new leadership, the new role or the new skill. 50% will enforce the current team.